On the news tonight, the senator representing Ogun Senatorial District, Otuba Gbenga Daniel, present dividends of democracy to the people of his constituency. Ooni of Ife pays historical visit to the Olubadan designate. Eminent Giants International Club swearing new executives. Good evening and welcome to Nta Ijebu Ode at 7. I am Fatima Hassan. Thank you for joining us today. The Ooni of Ife, Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, has called for peace and unity among the traditional rulers in Yoruba land in the interest of more development and oneness. Oba Ogunwusi made the call when he paid a historical visit to the Olubadan designate Oba Rashidi Ladoja at his Bodija residence in Ibadan, Oyo State. Ayomiku Ajibola was there and now report.
The historic meeting of the two foremost Yoruba monarchs drew a large turnout of members of the Olubadan Council, high chiefs, magajis, representatives of the Central Council of Ibadan Indigene, CCII, political figures, women groups, among others. Describing Oba Ladoja as a father for all, the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, noted that his accession to the throne of the Olubadan represents a turning point for Yoruba traditional leadership. The Reverend Monarch, who reminded the gathering that Ibadan has a rich and sacred history within the Yoruba civilization, revealed that some of his royal predecessors once sojourned in the ancient city of Ibadan and called for united front among Yoruba monarchs.
Unity is very key. We must really want unity around him, and that's why I'm here to see the Olubadan designate.
Oba Ladoja, while praising the Ooni for his consistent show of solidarity, especially during political and personal trials, described him as a royal figure who placed loyalty and tradition above politics and personal ego. He urged Yoruba monarchs to focus on strengthening the cultural value and institution that unites them rather than those that divide, noting that the people look up to traditional rulers not just for leadership but for inspiration and protection. Oba Rashidi Adeyeye Ladoja is said to be crowned as the 44th Olubadan of Ibadan land on Friday, September 26, succeeding Oba Owunabi Olakuleyin, the 43rd Olubadan, who passed on July 17, 2025 at the age of 90 in Ibadan. Ayomiku Ajibola, NTA News.
In an heartwarming display of royal unity and respect to tradition and culture surrounding the process of enthronement of new Awujale of Ijebu land, the Fushebua ruling house paid a courtesy visit to Awujale's palace and met with the Awujale's Interim Administrative Council. Correspondence was at Awujale's palace at Itale venue of the visit and complete the report.
A significant gathering took place at the Awujale's palace, bringing together distinguished royal fathers, including the Dagurewe of Idowa and other prominent kings of Ijebu land. The meeting was a crucial step in the process of selection of a new Awujale. The meeting afforded the Fushebua ruling house opportunity to meet with the Awujale Interim Administrative Council to discuss the process of selection of the best candidate to fill the esteemed position of Awujale. The chairman of the Ijebu Traditional and Administrative Board, who is also the Odbeni Oja of Ijebu land, Chief Soni Puku, emphasized the importance of fostering strong relationships and cooperation among the traditional institutions. He advised the concerned ruling house to wait till the 12th of October, which is the period stipulated by the tradition for the mourning of the late monarch, before proceeding with the process of selection of candidates for the position of new Awujale.
Now that everything is peaceful, we would like you to please let everything be under the radar until the morning period for the respect of our revered family.
The Yeye Oshobogun Iyalode of Ijebu land highlighted the significance of the meeting, underscoring its relevance to the future of the kingdom. Prince Abiodun Adesanya from Jadiara Agunshebi ruling house expressed gratitude to the Administrative Council for their fatherly roles since the demise of the late Awujale. He also commended other stakeholders for the love and unity display.
We are going to do everything possible to make all the procedures and transition very easy from our own family before we leave it over to the Afrobates.
In a show of unity and commitment, Otumba Abdulateef Owoyemi The Olori of Ushegunwa ruling house appreciated the leaders for their efforts and promised that the family would continue to remain united and accept whoever the Administrative Council chooses as the next Awujale. This gesture underscores the ruling house's dedication to the kingdom's stability and progress.
The family elders are fully committed to ensuring that each contestant for the exalted position of the 59th Awujale, if not selected, will unconditionally and fully support and serve with the selected candidate to lift both Ijebu Ode and Ijebu land to the predicted unprecedented greatness and prosperity.
The meeting reflects the commitment of the traditional institutions to a smooth transition and the selection of a worthy candidate to lead the kingdom into a new era. The deliberations and decisions made during this gathering will undoubtedly shape the future of the people of Ijebu land. In Ijebu Ode,
the new executive officers that will steer the affairs of Eminent Gents International Club have been officially inaugurated. This followed a successful election that showcased the club's commitment to democratic processes. Oriafe Ogunshola was at the venue of the event and now report.
Eminent Gents Club International.
Yes, that is swear. Yes. That I will serve and discharge to the best of my ability, all the duties of my present position of General Secretary.
That was the inauguration of the newly elected executive officers of Eminent Gents International Club, a prominent humanitarian organization with a global presence spanning Nigeria and the diaspora, has inducted a new leadership team to propel its charitable and philanthropic endeavors. Inaugurating the ESCO, the chairman of the inaugural committee, Eminent Akodo Abayomi, emphasized the importance of unity among the club members, as well charged them to work together to drive the club's development and enhance its humanitarian impact.
I will advise that they keep the house together, they be unifying force and to drive the core values of the club, which is charity, philanthropy, humanity, and that's what the club has been doing.
The new executive officers are President Eminent Otumba Olumide Owosheni, Vice President Eminent Are Ajibola Fagade, General Secretary Eminent Adedeji Babatunde Abiodun, Treasurer Eminent Abdul Olatunji, Social Secretary and Event Manager Eminent Shegun Fatuga, and Financial Secretary Eminent Olasheni Akinsanya. Some of the newly inducted executives also share their vision and objective for the club.
We'll continue more on charity, reaching out to people, reaching out to the less privileged, the SOS and what have you. We're trying to give back to the community, assist the government per se in taking care of some of our people in the hospital or even in the SOS.
The eminent people should be expecting a better thing right from me. Then I know the task has been given to me, I have to deliver.
As a beacon of hope and service, the Eminent Gents International Club continues to inspire others through its selfless act of giving back to society. In Ijebu Ode, Oriafe Ogunshola, NTA News.
You are watching Nta Ijebu Ode at 7. We'll be going on a short break. Please stay tuned.
Oh, what a wonderful world of SureClean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with SureClean. SureClean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white in all colors, SureClean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of SureClean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. SureClean detergent makes your family clean and happy. SureClean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.
Welcome back from the break and thanks for joining us. The senator representing Ogun East Senatorial District, Otumba Gbenga Daniel, says President Bola Tinubu is providing Nigeria with its first ever conscious leadership. Hence, the need for his re-election in 2027 in the sacrosanct for the country's continued progress. Senator Gbenga Daniel made a declaration while unveiling the multi-million naira renewed Hope International Market at Igode Ogijo, Shagamu local government area of the state. Anthony Gandano report that over 300 constituents who are members of the ancient Igode community benefited from various empowerment programs. His report.
With great joy and enthusiasm, residents and indigents of Igode town and other 75 adjoining communities came all out to receive their senator, who was on his mid-term constituency project assessment and review tour to the community. In his welcome address, the Onigode of Igode Kingdom, Oba Jamiu Olale Konsule, posited that the location and commissioning of the ultra-modern market rekindled hope, energizes the economy and reaffirms the town's strategic place in Nigeria's national development journey.
Compelling testament to your administration's unwavering commitment to uplifting underserved rural communities and food security across Nigeria, to trade, to sell, and buy. So we don't need to go too far again. We don't have anything to do at Ikorodu. Not at my 12, not in Lagos, not even in Shagam.
The royal father, on behalf of the community, who appreciates President Bola Tinubu and Senator Otumba Gbenga Daniel for their efforts to ensure food security and economic stability of Nigerians, reiterated the commitment of his kingdom to mobilize support for the two political gladiators in 2027 election. Residents and indigents of the town, while expressing their deep value of the intervention program, also made some passionate appeals.
We are happy that the federal government is able to recognize this Igode community, and we're happy, and at the same time we appreciate the OGD for this great opportunity and pleasure that he has given to us here in this community. And you know that if there's no accessible road to a community, then marketability in that community will be bad. Even things development in the community will be bad. So we want to employ the government to come into our aid to help in what? In putting this our road in order so that our people could easily move in and out of the community.
One of the major things we need in Iloloye is for polling booths. We don't have polling units in our community. We have over 5,000 residents living at Iloloye, which we cannot vote in our community. There are some people that just came to Iloloye, but we can't vote in our community. We are using this medium to beg our senator and Ogun State government to provide polling units for us.
The initiator, Otumba Gbenga Daniel, in his speech appreciated the guests for their presence and the entire Igode community for their endurance and support for him and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration policies and programs. The senator explained further that President Bola Tinubu's commitment to food security and rural development was the reason for the mid-term community assessment and review tour.
The moment that we are unveiling today is emphatically for the benefit of doubting Thomases regarding where we stand. It is clear and a clear testament on unalloyed support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, with whom I've had a close relationship for the past 30 years. 30 years relationship. This is also an open endorsement of his leadership and his political project for the benefit of Nigeria and Nigerians. Let it not be forgotten that President Tinubu is a bastion of democracy who struggled for the democracy we are enjoying today. In the process, he was exiled.
Over 300 constituents who are members of the Asian community benefited from various empowerment items such as freezers, grinding machines, sewing machines, generating sets, cash award, motorcycles, as well as farm fertilizers. From Igode in Shagamu local government, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.
Now we are for tonight on our English update. Join us tomorrow for more interesting stories. Have a blessed week ahead.
Oh, what a wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene, and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now. Admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply. Or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.